Alright, so this is my current event project. I'm doing it on Walmart raising their minimum wage. Obviously, Walmart, if you don't know already, is a multinational retail corporation that it operates off a chain of hypermarkets, so it sells other people's products. Walmart has over 2 million employees worldwide, so it is a very, very large corporation, obviously. What did Walmart do? They raised their minimum wage from an already $9 an hour to $11 an hour, which is much larger than the average of $7.25. As well, Walmart gave out $1,000 bonuses to employees that had been working there for over 20 years. So they gave a whole lot of money back to their employees, helping a lot to give some of their money back towards their employees and towards the people. Why did they do this? Walmart raised their minimum wage as well as gave out bonuses to some employees because they said that the tax reform would allow them to be more competitive on a global stage, and they would continue to seek ways in which they can pass along those savings to workers, customers, and investors. So, like I said, doing a really good job at helping out their employees as well as just the people by giving some of that money that they've gained back. What exactly is this going to affect? Well, the increase in minimum wage to over 1 million employees is going to have a large effect on the economy. They're raising minimum wage to over 1 million employees, so obviously this is going to increase their incentive to spend money, therefore putting that money back into the economy. As well, like I said, they're giving $1,000 bonuses to any employees that have been there for over 20 years. So, as well as raising their minimum wage, giving them an extra $1,000 bonus, therefore will increase their incentive to spend money and put that money back into the economy, increasing money flow into the economy, etc. So, as you can see, there's Walmart's doing a great job at helping out not only the people but the economy as a whole by keeping money fluctuating. So here are my references, the article I used, and a couple other references that I used for some information, and that's just about it. Thank you very much.